In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to calculate mean, median, mode in Excel. First is mean. To calculate mean, there is a function average in Excel. You can use this function to calculate mean in Excel. Select the numbers from a column or row, or directly type the numbers inside function separating with commas. Then press enter and you will get your mean. So how does Excel calculates mean? It totals up all the numbers and then divide it by the count of the numbers. So total of the numbers is 15 and then count is 5 because there are 5 numbers. So 15 divided by 5 is your mean. Now median. To calculate median, there is the median function. Select the numbers, then press enter. So median of these numbers is 3. So how does Excel calculates mean? It gives you the middle number. So 3 is the middle number because there are 2 numbers above and 2 numbers below. But if I use median here, now notice here there are 6 numbers. Now let's see what happens. It is giving me 3.5. See, there are 2 numbers in the middle. Okay, 4 and 3. So Excel calculates average and gives you as a median. 3.5 is the average of 4 and 3. So it is considered as a median. Alright, when there are 2 numbers in the middle. For mode, there is a mode function, MODE, and then select the numbers, press enter, you will get your mode, but in this case it has returned an error. Why? That is because there is no number repeating in this case. See, all numbers are appearing only once. Mode is for to know which number is most repeated number. If I drag this formula in these 2 columns, see here also an error. That is because in this column also there is no repeated number. But in this column there are 2 numbers repeated. 1 is appearing twice and 4 is appearing twice. But if you see that frequency of 4 is 2 and frequency of 1 is 2. So when there are 2 equal frequencies, it will return the first number. So in this case, first number is 1. So that's why 1. Mode means most frequently appearing number in the list. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.